Hey guys, welcome back to a brand new episode of Beyond the Lab. I'm Jeff, I'm here by myself today, and look at what we got here. We have ourselves a piece of paper. Now there's many things you can do with paper, but among the coolest, in my humble opinion, I would say making cool animals and stuff is fun. So today we are going to be making origami. We're going to start with butterflies, then we're going to do a dragon, and then we're going to finish it off with something special, because Valentine's Day is coming up, and gentlemen, hey, I got you. So let's jump right in, shall we? All right, so here we have this. We're folding the paper origami butterfly. Now this one was actually so much fun, and it was really heckin' easy. So it's super friendly to anyone of any skill level. The tutorial I was watching to make this is called, the channel name is called PPO, all caps, and it's a really decent channel. You should go check them out. But yeah, you could turn this on as, this is a great decorator. You could use it for gifts and stuff just by painting the wings. You can even just draw. So that's the paper butterfly for you right there. Yo guys, it's a butterfly. So basically with the last step, what you're doing is you're kind of folding it in half like that, but not quite. It's like you almost fold it in half, but you don't crease it. You just bend the paper so that the wings like turn that way, and then you can curve the wings slightly to make them look like butterflies. So there you have it. Here is the paper butterfly. Welcome to round 2. So it looks pretty similar to round 1 at the beginning. Once again, we're going to need a very square piece of paper. And here is the dragon. Now this one was significantly more difficult than the butterfly. It took me a really long time to do, but you know what? It was honestly, I mean, it wasn't too bad. You just kind of have to think about the steps a lot. You have to watch the video over and over again. And the video, the tutorial that I watched, is by a channel called Easy Origami. And I mean, yes, it wasn't impossible, but this is definitely an intermediate one. I mean, I say that like I'm an expert. I'm really not. This was my first time folding origami, but I mean, if I could do it, you could do it. So it might take a little bit to get all the steps down and all that, and you might need to watch it for a little bit, but honestly, it wasn't too bad. Now, in terms of utility of this, on it, it's a great decoration. I think it's also, I don't know, it's fun to do. You could do it with friends and stuff like that. And so yeah, it was really fun to do, and so I highly recommend that you try it out sometime. Honestly, just any origami is actually so much fun. And if you're liking the video, make sure you give it a big old thumbs up. If you love liking it, do not forget to subscribe. Hit that bell. It helps us out a ton. We're trying to go the distance and appreciate every contribution that you guys make. And then also comment down below. Sometimes we gotta know what you guys want, you know? So sometimes just comment down below and let us know what you'd like to see. There's many things. So sweet deal. So enjoy the rest of folding the dragon. Mine looks a lot less clean than his does, but as you can see, I made a dragon. Yeah, alright, so that was pretty decent. I'll leave the link to that one. Careful, there's a lot of hard, not hard, but just hard to see folds, I guess. Okay, well that was really cool. Alright, round 2, complete. And last but not least, round 3. So, you guys don't even know what this is yet. For round 3, Valentine's Day is coming up, we're folding a paper origami rose. So, let's jump right into it. So you're gonna, same first 2 steps. And here we have the origami rose. This one, in my opinion, was the funnest of the 3. This tutorial that I watched, it was made by a channel called Origami Princess. And they do a lot of easy origami stuff. Recommend go check them out, as always. And honestly, this one, so I know this video is being posted just a few days after only a few days after Valentine's Day. But hey, you're gonna be well prepared for next year. But honestly, you could do this out of red paper, make it a rose, and then, yeah, honestly, it's just a cute little decoration or gift thing, or heck, it's just a fun little thing to do with friends or something, or maybe that special someone. Who knows? So yeah, this is the origami rose. Well, that's pretty cool. Give it a little twist again. All right, there you have it. It's a little rose. Oh, that's a big flap. Probably muscle that down a bit. All right. So there you have it. The paper rose. There's a lot of cool things you can do with that. All right, well, very good. So there you have it, guys. That was origami. Thank you for joining with me today. If you want to see another video like this, let us know down below in the comment section. Make sure to like it if you liked it, and if you liked it, make sure to subscribe. Hit that bell so you never miss one of these glorious videos. Thank you so much, and have a nice day. See you next time on Beyond the Lab.